Hi everyone, I'm Agnes and we are here in my beautiful boutique Ici Jolie. I'm very honored to be part of the Blonde My Way campaign. Because blonde for me is not only a service, it's an attitude. It can be classical and sophisticated, it can be moody but also bold. This is my model Merel, and for her I'm gonna do a classical highlight service to really give her a fresh hair color. Her own natural color is on a level 7 and I'm gonna work with SilkLift Pearl. After that we're gonna do a beautiful iridescent gloss tone. I'm gonna show you later. Let's start. My sectioning is finished and I'm gonna start in the nape area with my weaving technique. Just want to give you a tip if you work in your front area. I always move the chair towards me, so it's easier for me to do the foils. The processing time was finished of Merel's hair color, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the iridescent shades of the gloss tone. But as you can see, I want to show you the beautiful result of the SilkLift Pearl. Beautiful light and fresh blonde with this classic highlight surface. So for my iridescent surface, I'm going to do a zigzag technique with 2 different formulas in the gloss tone. And I'm going to start from underneath and using my zigzag for a more creative toning surface. Let's start. I have a big zigzag now, and as you noticed, I was working while doing the technique and applying my color to make it so consumer friendly in the salon. So here is Merel with the end results. We did a classic foiling technique with SilkLift Pearl. Then we did the gloss tone with the iridescent colors. One was 8GPK and the other one was 10GPK with 10BN. And I think it looks really cool on her skin tone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you want to see more of the Blonde My Way campaign, then just follow us and more videos will follow up. Thank you, bye.